How to copy trade in Binance. Now, in order to copy the trade in Binance, you just simply need to open your Binance application at very first. And after opening your Binance application, you are gonna get this trade option at the very bottom. Just simply tap to the trade option, and from here, you just simply have to tap into these three bars in very top right corner. And after tapping in there, you are gonna see this option of copy directly. Tap into copy option. Now after going in here, you can select if you want to copy spot, or if you want to copy feature, you can select it from here. Just simply select whatever you want to copy. I will leave it as the spot. Now you will get the copy and mock option. After each trading which you would like to copy, you can select the ones that you think is best for you to copy. Now just simply select the trade and tap to copy button, and you can easily copy the trade in Binance like this. You can also go into this section and check if there is any ongoing, closed or mocked trades in Binance. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.